Guys, I'm Katie. I'm one of the tutors at CSA, and today I'm going to be talking about using your learning style. So this is kind of based off of the learning style inventory that we have on our website, just to kind of help you decide what kind of learning style fits you best, and then some strategies that might be helpful for you in the future. So we all learn differently. By identifying how we can learn best can help us study and then learn more outside of our classes. Many of our professors present materials in different ways through lecture, group work, and labs to kind of address these different learning styles. However, when we are doing our homework and studying for tests, it may be a good idea to use kind of these strategies and then others that kind of help you learn and focus on your learning style. So different types of learning styles include auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. And then again, there should be that learning style inventory to help you figure out which one suits you best. And then the bottom of it offers some suggestions, but I'm also going to go through some suggestions on how you can use those. So auditory, this type of learner prefers to listen to information, to learn it and remember it. So using software, Rewrite Gold is a software, and then Otter is another software that are both accommodations that you may have. You can use these to have readings read aloud, or with Otter, have a recording of the lecture as part of note-taking. If you do not have these accommodations, you could ask your professor if they would mind if you recorded a lecture in a voice memo, and then Google Translate software will read that information aloud for you. Studying with a partner to help that will ask you questions aloud may be helpful to kind of get that auditory studying, going over that information through listening and then also speaking it. So visual, this type of learner prefers visual instructions. This can include diagrams and graphs as well as reading the lecture notes. So some strategies, kind of color coding information, how you organize your information with the terms and kind of highlighting as you go, and then graphics to organize your information. Diagrams and illustrations are also helpful for learning, so drawing out your diagrams, and then creating your own diagrams and flowcharts for studying that will help you kind of connect those concepts or other ways. So kinesthetic, this type of learner is better with hands-on instruction. Physical activity may also be helpful for learning. So I attached this model of the cell with models as part of learning. So going to the labs in those kind of biology-based classes or any labs that you have models in to kind of learn and kind of feel where those pieces are based on holding the material and going through that. And then handwriting things out or working on a computer will help you learn with the sense of touch and then the movement of your hands while handwriting things, or kind of the typing motion of your fingers. And then walking or pacing while going over your material. So if you have flashcards, kind of walking within your dorm or within your residence hall room, or walking on a treadmill while reading to go over your material. And then overall, you know yourself best and you know what works best for you. If you have strategies that work well for you, absolutely keep using those. These are just some suggestions that may be helpful if you are looking for other study strategies to use, or looking for some strategies that may fit your learning style best. Thanks, guys.